Welcome back to day 3 of our shadowing challenge. Today, we're diving into the power of the past tense. The key to telling your stories, sharing your experiences, and connecting with others on a whole new level. Whether you're reminiscing about yesterday, or describing what you did last weekend, mastering the past tense opens up a world of possibilities. So, let's unlock your fluency and make your English sound more natural than ever. Are you ready? Let's go. Arise. Meaning, to get up or come into existence. Example, the sun arises in the morning. Arose. Meaning, got up or came into existence. Example, a problem arose during the meeting. Awake. Meaning, to stop sleeping, become alert. Example, I awake early every day. Woke. Meaning, became alert. Example, I woke up late today. Be. Meaning, to exist, state of being. Example, I am happy. Was or were. Meaning, existed. Example, she was here yesterday. There. Meaning, to carry, endure, give birth to. Example, I bear the weight easily. Bore. Meaning, carried, endured, gave birth to. Example, he bore the pain bravely. Beat. Meaning, strike, defeat, pulse. Example, I beat the drum loudly. Beat. Meaning, struck, defeated, pulsed. Example, they beat their opponents easily. Become. Meaning, to come into a new state or condition. Example, she becomes happy when she reads. Became. Meaning, came into a new state. Example, he became a doctor last year. Begin. Meaning, to start. Example, the class begins at 9 a.m. Began. Meaning, started. Example, the show began late. Behold. Meaning, to look at or observe. Example, behold the beautiful sunset. Beheld. Meaning, observed. Example, I beheld the scene with awe. Break. Meaning, to separate into pieces. Example, be careful not to break the glass. Broke. Meaning, separated into pieces. Example, she broke the vase. Bring. Meaning, to carry to a place. Example, please bring your homework. Brought. Meaning, carried to a place. Example, she brought snacks. Build. Meaning, to construct. Example, they build a new house. Built. Meaning, constructed. Example, he built a bridge. Buy. Meaning, to purchase. Example, I buy groceries every week. Bought. Meaning, purchased. Example, she bought a new dress. Catch. Meaning, to seize or capture. Example, catch the ball. Caught. Meaning, seized or captured. Example, he caught the train. Choose. Meaning, to select. Example, I choose the blue one. Chose. Meaning, selected. Example, she chose the red dress. Come. Meaning, to arrive. Example, they come home late. Came. Meaning, arrived. Example, he came early. Cut. Meaning, to divide with a sharp tool. Example, cut the paper in half. Cut. Meaning, same as present. Example, he cut his finger. Do. Meaning, to perform an action. Example, I do my homework. Did. Meaning, performed, past. Example, she did her chores. Drink. Meaning, to consume liquid. Example, I drink water. Drank. Meaning, consumed liquid. Example, he drank juice. Drive. Meaning, to operate a vehicle. Example, I drive to work. Drove. Meaning, operated a vehicle, past. Example, she drove across the country. Eat. Meaning, to consume food. Example, I eat breakfast. Ate. Meaning, consumed food, past. Example, we ate dinner. Fall. Meaning, to drop down. Example, leaves fall in autumn. Fell. Meaning, dropped down. Example, she fell yesterday. Feel. Meaning, to experience emotion or sensation. Example, I feel happy. Felt. Meaning, experienced. Example, he felt cold. Find. Meaning, to discover. Example, I find my keys. Found. Meaning, discovered, past. Example, she found her phone. Fly. Meaning, to move through the air. Example, birds fly south. Flew. Meaning, moved through the air. Example, he flew to Paris. Forget. Meaning, to fail to remember. Example, I forget names easily. Forgot. Meaning, failed to remember. Example, she forgot her homework. Get. Meaning, to obtain or become. Example, I get a gift. Got. Meaning, obtained or became. Example, she got a new job. Give. Meaning, to present voluntarily. Example, I give her a gift. Gave. Meaning, presented. Example, he gave me a book. Go. Meaning, to move from one place to another. Example, they go to school. Went. Meaning, moved. Example, she went shopping. Grow. Meaning, to increase in size or develop. Example, plants grow quickly. Grew. Meaning, increased or developed. Example, he grew taller. Have. Meaning, to possess. Example, I have a car. Had. Meaning, possessed. Example, she had a dog. Hear. Meaning, to perceive sound. Example, I hear music. Heard. Meaning, perceived sound. Example, I heard a noise. Hold. Meaning, to grasp or keep. Example, hold the handle tightly. Held. Meaning, grasped or kept. Example, she held the baby carefully. Know. Meaning, to be aware of. Example, I know the answer. Knew. Meaning, was aware of. Example, she knew the secret. Learn. Meaning, to acquire knowledge. Example, I learn English. Learned or learnt. Meaning, acquired knowledge. Example, she learned to swim. Leave. Meaning, to go away from. Example, I leave home at 8 a.m. Left. Meaning, went away. Example, they left early. Lose. Meaning, to misplace or be deprived of. Example, I lose my keys. Lost. Meaning, misplaced or deprived of. Example, she lost her wallet. Make. Meaning, to create or produce. Example, she makes a cake. Made. Meaning, created. Example, I made a table. Meet. Meaning, to encounter or come together. Example, I meet my friends. Met. meaning, encountered. Example, she met him yesterday. Pay, meaning, to give money for goods or services. Example, I pay the bill. Paid, meaning, gave money. Example, she paid online. Put, meaning, to place somewhere. Example, put the book on the table. Put, meaning, same as present. Example, he put his bag down. Read, meaning, to interpret written words. Example, I read a book. Read, meaning, interpreted written words. Example, I read that article yesterday. Ride, meaning, to sit on and control a vehicle or animal. Example, she rides her bike. Rode, meaning, sits on and controls. Example, he rode a horse. If you're finding this shadowing challenge helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe, so you don't miss day 4 and beyond. You're doing a great job improving your English, and I'm here to guide you, one lesson at a time. Now, let's get back to mastering the past tense. Ring, meaning, to produce a sound. Example, the phone rings. Rang, meaning, produced sound. Example, the bell rang. Rise, meaning, to go upward. Example, the sun rises. Rose, meaning, went upward. Example, the tide rose. Run, meaning, to move quickly on foot. Example, I run every morning. Ran, meaning, moved quickly. Example, she ran to catch the bus. Say, meaning, to speak or express. Example, I say hello. Said, meaning, spoke or expressed. Example, he said goodbye. See, meaning, to perceive visually. Example, I see the mountains. Saw, meaning, perceived visually. Example, I saw a movie. Sell, meaning, to exchange for money. Example, I sell my old books. Sold, meaning, exchanged for money. Example, they sold their house. Send, meaning, to cause to go to a destination. Example, I send emails daily. Sent, meaning, cause to go. Example, he sent a letter. Shake, meaning, to move back and forth. Example, shake hands. Shook, meaning, moved back and forth. Example, she shook the bottle. Shine, meaning, to emit light. Example, the sun shines brightly. Shone, shined, meaning, emitted light. Example, the stars shone all night. Shoot, meaning, to fire a weapon or launch something. Example, he shoots hoops. Shot, meaning, fired or launched. Example, they shot the target. Show, meaning, to display or present. Example, she shows her artwork. Shown, showed, meaning, displayed. Example, he showed us his photos. Shut, meaning, to close. Example, please shut the door. Shut, meaning, closed. Example, she shut the window. Sing, meaning, to produce musical sounds. Example, she sings beautifully. Sang, meaning, produced musical sounds. Example, he sang a song. Sink, meaning, to go down underwater or below the surface. Example, the ship sinks. Sank, the sunk, meaning, went down. Example, the boat sank. Sit, meaning, to rest on the buttocks. Example, I sit on the chair. Sat. Meaning, rested. Example, she sat quietly. Sleep. Meaning, to rest with eyes closed. Example, I sleep well. Slept. Meaning, rested. Example, he slept all night. Slide. Meaning, to move smoothly along a surface. Example, the child slides down the slide. Slid. Meaning, moved smoothly, past. Example, he slid the box across the floor. Speak. Meaning, to talk. Example, I speak English. Spoke. Meaning, talked. Example, she spoke loudly. Spend. Meaning, to use money or time. Example, I spend money wisely. Spent. Meaning, used money or time. Example, she spent all her savings. Stand. Meaning, to be upright. Example, I stand in line. Stood. Meaning, was upright. Example, she stood still. Steal. Meaning, to take without permission. Example, someone steals my bike. Stole. Meaning, took without permission. Example, he stole a watch. Swim. Meaning, to move through water. Example, I swim every weekend. Swam or swum. Meaning, moved through water. Example, they swam across the lake. Take. Meaning, to grasp or carry. Example, I take the bus. Took. Meaning, grasped or carried. Example, she took a photo. Teach. Meaning, to instruct. Example, I teach math. Taught. Meaning, instructed. Example, she taught us well. Tell. Meaning, to inform or narrate. Example, I tell a story. Told. Meaning, informed or narrated. Example, he told the truth. Think. Meaning, to have an opinion or consider. Example, I think it's good. Thought. Meaning, considered. Example, she thought about it. Throw. Meaning, to propel through the air. Example, he throws the ball. Through. Meaning, propelled through the air. Example, she threw the stone. Understand. Meaning, to grasp the meaning. Example, I understand now. Understood. Meaning, grasped. Example, she understood the lesson. Wake or waked. Meaning, to stop sleeping. Example, I wake up early. Woke or waked or woken. Meaning, became alert. Example, I woke up late. Wear. Meaning, to have clothing on. Example, I wear a jacket. Wore. Meaning, had clothing on. Example, she wore a red dress. Win. Meaning, to be victorious. Example, they win the game. Won. Meaning, victorious. Example, our team won last year. Write. Meaning, to inscribe or compose. Example, I write a letter. Wrote. Meaning, inscribed. Example, she wrote a story.